Amid the controversy around Aurangzeb, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has asked the Samajwadi Party to expel Maharashtra MLA Abu Azmi from the party and send him to the state for proper treatment. Well, Abu Azmi has been suspended from the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly till the end of the ongoing budget session over his remarks eulogising Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. And we understand Akhilesh Yadav, meanwhile, has backed Abu Azmi and questioned his suspension. He said, if ideology influences this, what is the difference between free speech and slavery? Listen in.
समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता, आपका विधायक घोषणा करो ना, उस कमबख्त को निकालो पार्टी से और उसको एक बार यूपी भेज दीजिए, बाकी उपचार हम अपने आप करवा लेंगे। जो व्यक्ति छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की परंपरा पर गौरव की अनुभूति करने की बजाय लज्जा महसूस कर रहा हो और औरंगजेब को अपना नायक मान रहा हो, क्या उसको भारत के अंदर रहने का अधिकार होना चाहिए क्या? और समाजवादी पार्टी को इसका जवाब देना चाहिए। एक तरफ आप कुंभ को कोसते रहे और दूसरी तरफ औरंगजेब जैसे दुष्ट और क्रूर धर्मांध मंदिरों को तोड़ने वाले व्यक्ति को, भारत की आस्था को निर्ममता के साथ रौंदने का कार्य करने वाले व्यक्ति को महिमामंडन करते हो।
All right, that was UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath speaking inside the UP Assembly, hating out at the Samajwadi Party, saying that they need to sack Abu Azmi for the kind of remarks that he's made on Aurangzeb, eulogizing the Mughal ruler. My colleague Ranveer also now joins us on the broadcast here. He's getting us more on that. Well, Ranveer, Akhilesh Yadav seems to be still backing Abu Azmi, saying that, what's the difference between free speech and slavery?
Yogi Adityanath got a chance to hit back at Samajwadi Party again, and today Yogi Adityanath clearly said that Samajwadi Party should remove his MLA Abu Azmi immediately and send him to UP. The treatment will be given by UP government. So this is a clear message that Yogi Adityanath is targeting not only Abu Azmi but the entire Samajwadi Party. And he also said that instead of feeling proud of the legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji, the Samajwadi Party is safeguarding Abu Azmi over his remark on Aurangzeb, as he said that Aurangzeb is his hero. So the rivalry between the Bharatiya Janata Party and Samajwadi Party is on its peak. And again, Yogi Adityanath got a chance through Abu Azmi, and Samajwadi Party, obviously, Akhilesh Yadav said that whatever Abu Azmi said is a matter of freedom to speech. So suspending him from Maharashtra Assembly is injustice to him, but she should be heard. And obviously, Samajwadi Party chief is safeguarding his own MLA, and Yogi Adityanath is targeting the entire Samajwadi Party over the issue of Aurangzeb and Chhatrapati Shivaji.
All right, so this motion to suspend the four-time MLA Abu Azmi of the Samajwadi Party was moved by Chandrakant Patil. It was adopted unanimously, but we do understand the Samajwadi Party clearly is saying that there needs to be a difference between free speech and slavery, essentially backing the remarks of Abu Azmi. My colleague Anuj is also now joining us on the broadcast here. Anuj, we understand Abu Azmi is crying injustice, saying that this has been injustice that has been done to him, that he's been suspended for a brief period of time, but many are saying that he needs to be sacked from the party. Looks like the Samajwadi Party is still defiant.
When backlash was received by Abu Azmi, especially right after the statement came out, he went on to state that whatever he said was historically correct, and that politics in that particular era was done on the basis of imperialism and not necessarily religion, and that is what he wanted to say. However, by the time he gave that clarification, things had blown out of proportion, especially in Maharashtra Assembly. But the perspective of it changes when you look at it from Vidhan Sabha in Mumbai, rather than watching it from elsewhere, because the opposition here, which is in alliance, on paper it is in alliance with Samajwadi Party. The Mahavikas Aghadi also has Samajwadi Party as a small but an important unit of it, because we saw Akhilesh Yadav also campaigned for them a few months ago. but even they have distanced themselves from Samajwadi Party, not just for the statements. They have spoken against how these statements aren't valid, but they've also spoken about how Samajwadi Party in Maharashtra is playing a B team to the BJP, because the timing of this entire issue is very interesting. You know, this statement came to light when the Maharashtra Assembly was in full mood to discuss the Dhananjay Munde case, the Manikrao Kokate case, you know, the murder that took place in Parbhani, the issues of the farmers. And the opposition is of the opinion that right when, you know, the opposition has pulled up its socks and is about to counter the government on multiple fronts,
Yes.
especially when the session has just begun, some such kind of controversial remarks come in, you know, from certain niche elements of the assembly, and then that takes the center stage. We know what happened yesterday when, you know, when Dhananjay Munde was to be discussed in the assembly after he had given his
Right.
resignation. Eknath Shinde talked about how treason should be filed against, you know, Abu Azmi, and how he should be suspended from the house. And after that, the house was adjourned without any discussion on all the issues that are pertinent for the people of Maharashtra, rather than, you know, abstract historical
Looks
issues.
like this
Now,
matter
that
has
is the
taken center
point.
stage with not just Maharashtra, but also the noise reaching Uttar Pradesh. Yogi Adityanath also saying that Abu Azmi needs to be sacked from the party and he needs to be sent to UP, where he will be given proper treatment by the BJP. Those were the words by Yogi Adityanath there.